Li-Ning SHADOW 3 Essential. Endurance, energy, and innovation in every step. Running isn't just about moving forward. It's about efficiency, resilience, and the ability to maintain speed and comfort mile after mile. The Li-Ning SHADOW 3 Essential has been engineered with this philosophy in mind, delivering advanced performance technology in a lightweight package, purpose-built for long-distance runners who demand more from every stride. At the heart of the SHADOW 3 Essential is Li-Ning's groundbreaking dual-layer boom midsole. Created with supercritical foaming technology, boom foam is lighter, more resilient, and more durable than traditional cushioning. Each layer of foam plays a role. The lower layer absorbs impact with soft, reliable cushioning, while the upper layer provides a sharp rebound that fuels forward momentum. This balance ensures you're not just running longer, you're running smarter, with every step returning energy instead of wasting it. Supporting this energy system is the Pebax propulsion plate, integrated into the midsole. Known for its strength, flexibility, and feather-light weight, Pebax enhances stability while maximizing propulsion. Together with boom cushioning, it transforms each stride into an efficient cycle of shock absorption and energy return, protecting your legs while propelling you forward. Whether you're deep into marathon mileage or accelerating through tempo runs, this synergy keeps your pace consistent and your performance sharp. The upper is crafted from ultralight mono mesh, designed for maximum breathability and a glove-like fit. This material allows air to flow freely, keeping your feet cool even under demanding conditions. At the same time, its structure ensures durability and resistance to deformation, so your shoe retains its supportive shape no matter how many miles you log. It's light on your feet, secure on your stride, and comfortable for the long haul. Beneath, the full-length GCU outsole delivers durability and grip where it matters most. Engineered with traction patterns tailored to running dynamics, it grips confidently across a variety of road conditions, from smooth city streets to slightly rougher surfaces. This outsole doesn't just provide traction, it also resists wear, ensuring your shoes last longer and perform consistently. Geometrically, the SHADOW 3 Essential is designed with endurance in mind. A 27 mm heel stack height and 15 mm forefoot create a 12 mm drop, positioning your stride for forward efficiency while keeping transitions smooth. This higher drop geometry reduces calf strain on long runs, making it a smart choice for distance training and marathon racing. Every design choice in the SHADOW 3 Essential comes back to one idea: helping runners go further, faster, and with more comfort. From the dual boom foam midsole to the Pebax propulsion plate, from the breathable mono mesh upper to the durable GCU outsole, this shoe is not just built to keep up with you, it's built to push you ahead. The Li-Ning SHADOW 3 Essential is more than a running shoe. It's a performance tool for athletes chasing efficiency, endurance, and excellence. Whether you're training for your next marathon, running daily long miles, or simply seeking a shoe that makes every stride feel lighter, faster, and more powerful, this is your essential companion. Take on the miles. Unlock your speed. Conquer your run with the Li-Ning SHADOW 3 Essential.